Hello and welcome back to my channel. Do you want to get paid training AI from home? Then I have this platform that hires worldwide. I know that a lot of you on this channel are from Africa. That is why I've been looking for platforms that allows Africans to join. So this one hires worldwide. Your country is there no matter where you are. No matter where you're from, you surely find your country. If you're interested in training AI, then stay with me till the end. Let me show you this platform and how to get started with the onboarding. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share, and drop a comment. Let me know where you're joining me from. If you're an OG, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you guys for always coming back to support my channel. Let's go there. So the platform we're looking at is called atlascapture.io. I've been hearing about them for a long time now. I've seen people do reviews on them on YouTube, so I decided to share it with you guys. I've already signed up, but I'm going to use this page to show you, and maybe I can take you to my account to show you what it looks like. So this is it here, Atlas Capture. What you will do, you do simple tasks that help train AI systems to understand the real world better. So the task you can do here can be record videos by capturing every activities using just your smartphone. Like simple household tasks like cooking or cleaning, record what you already do. Why join Atlas Capture? They said they're building something meaningful together and they want you to be rewarded for it. They have competitive pay. They also have flexible schedule. You work whenever you want from wherever you are. No minimum hours. You work from anywhere. All you need is a phone or laptop and internet connection, available in 100+ countries. So for those of you always asking if you can do this on your phone, yes, you can do this particular one because capturing videos, you mostly need to do them on your phone. It's secure and private. Your data is completely protected with enterprise-grade security. Their onboarding is quick. You get started in minutes. No lengthy interviews or complex requirements. Then you join a community, connect with thousands of contributors worldwide. These days, I decided to be sharing platforms that people are actually earning from. And this is one of it. People are earning from this platform. So this is it here. If you're ready to start your journey with Atlas Capture, get started now. As for the payments are processed bi-weekly through multiple digital payment platforms. You can track your earnings in real time through the app and see exactly when your next payment will arrive. They also have a mobile app. What requirements do you need? All you need is an iPhone 11 or higher with a working camera and a stable internet connection, as well as head strap to mount the phone to your head. So that's if you're doing the video one. So let's see, view open jobs. You can see this one is here. Record at home, upload your videos of everyday tasks. Easy, iPhone 11 or later if you want to do this video upload. But if you're into data annotation, you see entry level, wide range of data labeling related work. Easy to expert opportunities. Requirement is English. You can earn from $10 an hour, right? Currently, they have data annotation specialist remote position available, and remote and data annotation specialist studio. This is on site available, depending on your country. So to get started, just click on apply now. Then it brings this page up for you. On this page, you begin with your email address and complete the onboarding. So let me show you mine. You see now hiring worldwide. Can you see? Now hiring worldwide. Help train the next generation of breakthrough AI. Get paid to complete simple tasks. Now hiring worldwide. So there is no excuse whatsoever that will make you not to earn from training AI in 2026. They have, it's not like an interview, but it's more like a training, an interactive course where they'll give you questions and answers to pick from and all of that. So you do this interactive course. It will comprise of knowledge quiz, examples, review completed labels, practice, label real episode, answers reviewed. Okay, you're going to do this training. Let me just take you guys back and show you So you need to do this training if you want to be a labeler here. Make sure you complete your onboarding training. It's just a free training, okay? It's just a free training here that you will do. Once you finish the training, you then set up your payment and then you do your labeling tasks and start getting paid. As for payment, it's only when you finish the onboarding training that you would link your payment method. Set up payment method. So their payment methods are crypto, USDC or USDT, and then WISE, which is through bank transfer. If you're using USDT, that will be like a USDT wallet address, Ethereum. If you're using USDC, the same thing. For me, I'm gonna use WISE. WISE transfer takes an extra 25 business days, but this is faster. So I'm going to use WISE for my own. If you have a WISE account, use it. I have to finish my training quiz first before I can see open task for me, for my own dashboard, on my own dashboard. I need to finish my training. And this is something I need to take my time to go through before I take the training. Please make sure that you go through it carefully before taking the training. You don't want to fail. You don't want to fail. It takes about 15 minutes. Take your time. Guys, I'm giving you premium platforms that hires worldwide. And all I want to see in the comments is your feedback that yes, I earned or I've landed one job on this platform. That's just all I want to see. I may not be able to explain it the way you like, okay? But I just want you to know that they are hiring worldwide. And the best thing you can do for yourself is to go ahead right now, sign up, take your time, study, do the onboarding. That's like an onboarding training, but it's not as difficult as call or one format interviews. Believe me, if you have done interview with one format or call, you will understand what I'm talking about. So go and do that onboarding training and keep me updated in the comments. I was live the other day and I got some lovely comments. Some people have told me some platforms that they have actually earned from. And I was really happy. It takes dedication and effort to earn from these platforms. Even some platforms, I've been trying to, break into some of them. I keep failing, but I will not give up. So I'm just here to encourage anyone trying to make money from AI training that it doesn't come easy. It doesn't come easy. Keep pushing. But update me in the comment. I always love your updates. It makes me happy. It makes me know that, yes, all my effort is not in vain. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, comment, and share. The link will be in the description if you're interested in joining. I'll see you guys in the next one.